Hi, I'm Justin Schneck, Chief Product Officer and co-founder of Peridio, and we build Avocado Linux. Avocado OS is an operating system that's designed for manufacturability. We're for people who are building physical products. We focus deeply on physical AI and making that easier to be able to get it into market fast.
So, what do you need to change on Linux to make it more compatible with real stuff?
Well, usually the choice is between something like Ubuntu and Debian or Yocto. And what we find is that while Ubuntu and Debian is easy to be able to get up and running with quickly, it usually leads to a experience when in the market that it's hard to update or hard to be able to keep devices consistent. Yocto, on the other hand, is a good choice to be able to go into scalable domains, but it's really difficult to get running up quickly. So we strike a balance between those in the middle, and we make an experience that's both developer-friendly and scalable for production-ready products, designed so that you can get through manufacturing quickly, and also even do things like retargeting or hardware-in-the-loop development, and enables you to be able to build complex things pretty easily, similar to like the demo that we have.
So you have a demo right here. What do we see?
So this demo is demonstrating kind of like what it would look like for an industrial manufacturing line setup. In this, we have two robotic arms that are going to pick some candy based off of some preferences that you have, and then distribute it by putting it on the conveyor. And it's using offline computer vision and LLM to be able to infer where the pick path would be and satisfy the user's order. So to use it, we just start with a little kiosk here, and it asks you a few questions about your candy preferences. Now, I'd say I'm simple and sweet. I'm going to be crunchy and fun on my texture. I like the flavors of strong and bold. And let's go with that fruity tang. It's going to take those answers, and it's going to figure out from the inventory available what to be able to select from the table. And once it makes its selections, it'll put it out here onto the conveyor, and then you have your treat.
Nice.
So if you didn't get enough Halloween candy, this will really get your fix.
So where's your Linux running?
Well, actually, we have several machines that are running here in conjunction. We're running Avocado here on the reTerminal DM from Seed Studio. We're also running on the NVIDIA AGX in the back there. That's doing all the computer vision processing.
This one right there?
Yep, and then we also have this here from one of our partners, Advantech. This is a out-of-the-box, ready-to-go, production-ready camera solution that you can run machine learning models directly on.
What's the chipset in there?
That's running the Jetson Orin NX. And all of this together we're using in conjunction with our partners at RoboFlow to both make the operating system and the model training and inference really easy and approachable.
What's the graphical user interface that's running there?
So this is actually a WebKit. So we out of the box build WP WebKit so that you can take an HMI like this, take some web development tech that you might already have on staff, and just get up and running quickly. So we did this with some JavaScript applications, and it's just running both the client and the server on the same device.
What's the best chips? Is it like the Jetson is pretty cool, right? You like to work with that?
Yeah, we're seeing a lot of traction with the Jetson in the market. People doing computer vision need some power, and those are primarily the ones that are shipping the most.
Do you also work with the lower power solutions?
We do. We have support for NXP targets, NVIDIA Jetson. We also work with some Raspberry Pi stuff. But if there's something that we're not building for that you're using in the field, let us know, and we'd love to be able to have a conversation.
So how great is Linux?
Linux is awesome. I think that Linux is going to be the front runner when it comes to being able to ship embedded embedded AI applications, actually. We've seen other stuff out there like Android and AOSP kind of get some head starts, but people don't really want that. And since model training is all done with Linux in the cloud anyways, it's a great fit to be able to use on the edge.
And why is Linux better for edge AI?
Well, you need a little bit more power in certain use cases. Now, there's going to be stuff where you need to be able to do things in low power modes. You're going to reach for something in a microcontroller domain there. But in these industrial use cases where we're doing a lot of computer vision processing, Linux is really the right choice because it's going to give you fast time to market. It's going to give you easy to use or familiar developer experiences as well.
A big community of upstream developing all over the world.
Yeah.
It just makes it like really bulletproof, or?
Yeah, and so like we are a binary distribution, but not in the traditional sense. We don't want you to install packages at runtime. We actually use those packages so that you can create immutable and reproducible runtimes from a build environment. Therefore, I like to say that I build Yocto so you don't have to, and our package repository has pretty much everything you're going to need to be able to get up and running quickly.
So you're not doing the whole thing open source?
Avocado OS is open source. We do offer commercial support as well. So if you need long-term support over the product lifecycle that you need, speak to us and we can even help you with OTA as well.
And what's the business model?
So yeah, like it's free to be able to get started and try out. And as mentioned with open source aspects of this, once you start to be able to go to production, you need better guarantees. And therefore, like with LTS, it's going to be services that we provide as well as integration services to get you up quickly. But we also offer OTA, field management, and observability as a platform with Peridio to back that and keep you going for the long term.
How many billions of devices in the embedded industry run Linux?
Oh man, I don't know the exact number of that one.
Is, for unlimited success to happen, does it also have to be in consumer laptops in like in a big way? You know what I mean? Like, does it have to scale from high to low? Bunch other than Chromebooks and other things, like does it have to be mass market?
Yeah,
you know
actually, I mean, Linux really took off in the embedded field. We see a little bit of market share when it comes to like the desktop environments. They have a bit of that, but it's starting to be able to increase with Windows 10 reaching end of life. More people are switching over to Linux as an option, but there are tons and tons of devices. I'm pretty sure if you've been worked with an HMI or you've worked with a touchscreen display, it's probably running Linux.
You said, I'm pretty sure. Can you repeat that sentence? There was a disconnect.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure, and then what?
So I'm pretty sure if you ever worked with like an HMI or you walked up to a touchscreen display that's out in the world, that's going to be running embedded Linux.
HDMI technology powers the global ecosystem of connected devices, enabling advanced displays that deliver immersive visuals and sound across entertainment, professional, and everyday applications.
As the preferred technology for digital AV connectivity, HDMI technology and the features and benefits it enables
Links billions of products worldwide, from HD TVs, set-top boxes, and laptops to gaming consoles, projectors, and audio-video receivers. It provides the reliable, high-bandwidth connectivity needed for today's ultra-high-definition video, lifelike color accuracy, and immersive sound formats.
HDMI technology drives innovation across industries, including digital signage, medical imaging,
education, and esports. With unmatched performance, interoperability, and scalability, HDMI technology continues to define how content is created, shared, and enjoyed around the world.